Hi, I'm Melina Parasso and welcome to Expert Village. In this series, we're going to talk about turning regular, boring old jeans into funky bell-bottoms. In this clip, we're going to talk about measuring our jean for this bell-bottom project. So, a lot of the times, people will try to create a bell-bottom look, and they'll take a regular pair of jeans and they will insert a little piece of triangle fabric in one side. But what happens if you do that, if you only do them on one side, then you kind of end up with a weird, kind of like bow-legged look. You don't want them to only pop out on one side. So it's very important when you are completing this look that you're going to add fabric to both sides of the jean. What we're going to do is after we've ironed our jean, we're going to lay it out on the table and we're going to kind of eyeball it and see where the knee is. Usually you can tell because it's a little bit faded out. Or you can, if you really want to be responsible about it, put them on and mark it. So we are going to measure our jean, and let's say that we want our bell bottom to start at about 15 inches. This is what I would recommend. This is right about a little bit below the knee. You don't want it to be too high or that's going to be a whole nother look altogether. So we're going to mark off 15 inches. And it's okay to mark on the right side because we're going to chop this off. So you're going to go to each side and you're going to mark off 15 inches on each side.